Alright guys, this is a little short video for those who wants to take off the letters from a junkyard markings there. So here what I have is just my homemade loose nut mix. It's acetone with some transmission fluid. You could probably just use acetone. I'll just show you the way the thing works. Just spray some. It has to be wet and just rub it off. It comes off easy when it's wet, so it's like no biggie. A lot of people are asking what to use to take off those letters, but I mean it's like, you know, it's no biggie. When it's wet, you just rub it off. It doesn't take off the paint or anything, and it's taking the thing off. So right guys, using my right hand, well, let's finish this thing. Just spray a bit, you know, and just rub it off with nothing. So acetone probably will work by itself, but I mean, it cleans it really easy. Alright guys, so for those who wants to take the junkyard marking, this is it. Later.